Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to integrate Cleo with other financial apps. Now, do you want Cleo to work with apps that you already use like Mint, Venmo or PayPal? Well, integration makes managing your full financial picture a whole lot easier. Let me show you how it's done. First step, open Cleo and tap settings. You can access it from your main dashboard. Next, you're going to select connected apps. Now you're going to see a list of apps that Cleo can link with. Then just choose an app to integrate. You can pick the service, whatever it is, could be Venmo, PayPal, whatever, and you can just choose that. And then you need to authorize the connection. You're going to be asked to log into the other app and approve Cleo's access. Next, just monitor and manage connections. So you can review and disconnect linked apps anytime you want on the connected apps. Integrating Cleo with your other tools gives you a full, crystal clear view of your finances, no guessing required. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.